What's up? Is it Hot Boys, man? Streets on fire, you know what it is, man. You
Yes,
see who
sir.
it is, man. The homie over here doing the Pop Watch stage, Jermaine Dupri. What's good, man?
I mean, you know, I'm just trying to introduce this new line, new lane, you know what I'm saying, come to people from a different area, you know what I mean? Everybody do clothing, everybody doing other things. I just say, let me do something that ain't got nothing to do with you know, what everybody else doing. So I'm always trying to come up with a different artist and put them in a different lane at a time when everybody doing something else. So I said, let me do something else now. Let me figure out this Pop Watch thing. And I'm highly affected by pop art. You know what I mean? I collect pop art, Warhols and Lichtensteins and all that. So I felt like let me put one thing to another and come up with this. I collect watches too, so I came up with a watch. And I thought about the watch and I said, let's just, you know, let's collab all this together and put it all together. And then, but plus I'm a big Swatch watch fan.
Yeah, there
back
we go.
in the day,
Come on,
yes,
come
sir.
on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So did you have a band, the protective band, to go over?
I mean, I just had a lot of watches. I had a bunch of them because I was on the Fresh Fest and then Swatch Watch promoted the tour and it was a sponsor. So I had like about 8 Swatch watches and I used to give them away and I used to sell them. So I'm like I said, I'm a collector of watches, and this just became something that was introduced to me, and then I turned it into this, what it is, Pop Watch.
Okay, I mean, who you got with you, man, to help design it? You got any designers?
Yeah, where's Pascal? Yeah, he right here.
Okay.
Pascal, on in here, fam. How you doing?
Good,
how are you?
All right, so you are the designer of Pop Watch.
Yes, I have. I've been collaborating with Jermaine for the past year to launch this beautiful watch brand, and so far in Vegas we got a great amount of response, so we're very happy about it.
So how often do you all stay in tune to be like, okay, we're gonna do it like this, we're gonna do it like that. I like this design. You like that design. So how often do you communicate with JD?
Design takes about 2 to 4 weeks, so every time we have a new design, we'll send it over to JD if he's not around. We'll talk on the phone, he'll make corrections, we'll make it bigger, smaller, and then until the point where he's happy, and then we'll move forward and produce a sample.
That's what's happening. Now, and I actually stopped by a line. I know who did it. I was like, yo, that's hot. He's hot. I can't wait to get involved with. Let's go to the music side of things, brother. What's going on with you?
Right now I'm in the studio with Usher, you know what I mean, doing his new album. Bow Wow new album about to come out in March.
Yeah.
So you just, you know, continue to keep making records as always, the way we always do.
Absolutely. Now, you know, it's been, of course, the World Star thing, man. You talked to Bow Wow when they totally squashed that thing about with him and Soulja Boy, that all that.
I never paid no attention to that. I said, you know what I mean? I like, them guys is young and they do what they do, you know what I mean? And it's all fun, you know what I mean? Him and Bow Wow, they just fun. You know, they had a record together and, you know, they get on there, they do them videos to excite y'all, you know what I mean? The people out there, they excite y'all. But for the most part, I just, you know, it's all fun, you know what I mean? I think he did another one with Nelly where we supposed to be playing this basketball game where Nelly's challenging us. We actually going on a tour where we going to play 7 games and it's going to be for that money. And we gonna go to 7 different cities. We coming to Chicago.
I know y'all love. I think y'all gonna do it with us.
We
too,
saw the calendar.
So you know, all that's going down. So you know, just make sure y'all look out for that. And on top of that, like I said, coming in fall is the Pop Watch. And if you're a watch collector, you love watches, this is the watch that you need to have on your own. You know?
No doubt, man. And you got a website. I mean, I know you want to see it in the stores with a website.
I mean, you know, everybody can always go to my blog. You know what I mean? I blog about everything, but definitely everything that got something to do with JD, which is www.global14.com. You know what I mean? That's where they saw the watches first. Last week, and people started going crazy and asking where they could get them and all that. And I had to call Pascal like, yo, what's going on, man? What's happening?
Let's get them out there.
Let's get them going. So we here now at Magic, and this is what's up.
All right, before we let you go, man, price range on the watches, man.
I'll let him tell you the real price.
$120 to $300 at retail.
All right, that's what's happening. And real quick, 2 things before I let you go. It made me have to feel like I got to aspire to do to get my balling game up. When you did it, when you stayed in some hotel down here where you ran a balcony that was like a football.
Oh, yeah, we
field
saw that
long.
blog, man.
Red Rock, make sure y'all check that out. That's out here in Vegas. The Red Rock, that was Nelly weekend where we was chilling, you know what I mean? But it's crazy.
Was that presidential suite?
That was the JD suite.
And I got to get my sneaker game up. Is that the video with all the J's? Is that
real life?
Is that real, man?
What video?
I mean, you had a video. Y'all were talking about gym shoes. You had your gym shoe game, and you went to a garage and opened up, and it was all like sneakers.
Oh yeah, I mean, I've been collecting sneakers since the '90s. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Before I even had Bow Wow, back when I had Criss Cross, I got original Jordans at my mom's house. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm a sneakerhead. just like I collect watches and all that. You know what I mean? Like that might be next for me. You might see me make a sneaker or something.
That's what it is.
That's what's up, man. Appreciate the interview, man. Pop Watch. Be on the lookout for it, man.
That's
Jermaine
what's up.
Dupri.
Magic Show 09.
Streets so fire.